Plant FAQs. Hoya elliptica. What is Hoya elliptica? For those seeking a unique and easy-care houseplant, the Hoya elliptica emerges as a champion. Renowned for its elliptical-shaped, emerald green leaves with captivating white veining and a touch of bronze underneath, this Hoya adds a touch of elegance to any indoor space. But beyond aesthetics, the elliptica offers a rewarding experience for plant enthusiasts of all levels. See more 566 species in genus Hoya at monsteraholic.com. Light it up, illuminating the elliptica's needs. Unlike some finicky flora, the elliptica thrives in bright, indirect light. Think dappled sunlight filtering through a window sheer. Direct sun exposure, especially harsh afternoon rays, can scorch the leaves. Conversely, keep it out of the dark corners. Insufficient light hinders growth and flower production. Let there be blooms, encouraging floral displays. Witnessing the elliptica bloom is a true delight. Its clusters of star-shaped flowers boast a soft, sweet fragrance that adds another sensory dimension to your home. However, achieving this floral spectacle requires a mature, established plant and the right lighting conditions. Ensure your elliptica receives ample bright, indirect light throughout the day to stimulate flower production. Water wisely, avoiding drowning and drought. The elliptica leans towards the less is more approach when it comes to watering. Over-enthusiastic watering is a recipe for root rot. The key lies in allowing the soil to dry out completely between waterings. During winter months, when growth slows, water even less frequently. Choosing the perfect potting mix, a foundation for success. A well-draining, chunky potting mix is paramount for the elliptica's health. Opt for a mix that incorporates perlite, orchid bark, or cocoa coir to ensure proper drainage and prevent waterlogging. Thriving on neglect? The elliptica's resilience. While the elliptica appreciates consistent care, it's surprisingly forgiving of occasional neglect. Busy schedules needn't be a barrier to enjoying this plant. Its tolerance for drier conditions makes it a great choice for those with forgetful thumbs. Hoya elliptica versus Hoya carnosa. The elliptica is often compared to its more common cousin, the Hoya carnosa, commonly known as the wax plant. Both are beautiful Hoyas, but some key differences exist. Leaf shape. The elliptica, as the name suggests, boasts elliptical leaves. The carnosa, on the other hand, features oval-shaped leaves. Leaf coloration. The elliptica's leaves display a captivating interplay of green, with prominent white veins and subtle bronze undersides. The carnosa's leaves tend to be a more uniform green, although some varieties may exhibit variegation. Growth habit. The elliptica can be a vigorous grower, trailing or climbing depending on your preference. The carnosa also exhibits both trailing and climbing tendencies. Sun requirements. Both Hoyas prefer bright, indirect light. However, the elliptica may tolerate slightly more light than the carnosa. Ultimately, the choice between these two Hoyas boils down to personal preference. The elliptica offers a unique leaf shape and captivating coloration, while the carnosa remains a popular and readily available option. Propagation. Sharing the elliptica love. The elliptica readily lends itself to propagation, allowing you to share its beauty with friends and family. Stem cuttings are the preferred method. Simply snip off a healthy stem with a few nodes and plant it in a well-draining potting mix. Patience is key. Successful rooting can take several weeks. Common pests and problems. Keeping your elliptica healthy. While generally a pest-resistant plant, the elliptica can occasionally attract mealybugs or scale. Regularly inspect your plant and address any infestations promptly with insecticidal soap or neem oil. In conclusion, the Hoya elliptica is an exceptional houseplant that offers a unique combination of beauty, resilience, and ease of care. With its captivating foliage and fragrant blooms, the elliptica is sure to become a cherished addition to your indoor oasis.